Okay, this is the Yeager ZBV Spring Bar Tool. It's stainless steel, nuts and screws. It's got an aluminum frame, high-grade spring steel spring and nickel-plated steel pins. I make these in my shop. It's precision made with custom tools and techniques that I've made and designed myself. The pins are standard 0.8 millimeter in diameter, which fits most drilled lugs. And with normal use, this tool should last many, many years. The pins can be replaced for a nominal charge if they break, but again, if you take care of the tool and use it properly, you shouldn't have any problems. And it has a 1-year unconditional guarantee. And this is the tool. It's about 7 inches long. It's aluminum. The frame is aluminum, so it's not going to corrode. The nuts and bolts are all stainless steel. The spring is high-grade spring steel, and the pins are high-strength nickel-plated steel. So this tool should last a good long time. I'll also show this tool can also be adjusted. So right now it's in kind of like the the normal position. So 95% of all your uses will be in this position. But you can also widen it, and all you have to do is just push this in and then change this diagonal here, this little nut here, and that widens it. So I'm not sure if you'll ever see a need for something that wide, but you can go wider if you need to. Also, if you do order one of these, you're going to want to keep this hardware a little bit loose, because this is where it pivots right here. So you don't want to tighten these things down too tight. It doesn't need to be tight, and that allows it to pivot properly and work in the correct manner. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show how easy it is to use this tool to get the metal bracelet off this Explorer 2. This is my watch. And again, the advantage is that you're going to depress both ends of the spring bar at the same time, which allows you to pull the bracelet out parallel versus trying to do it one side at a time. Let's go ahead and try it. And there it is. Literally like 10 seconds. And I'm using a thicker spring bar. I really like these. I believe this is a 1.8 millimeter. You can also get them in 2 millimeter size. But I'm not sure the 2 millimeter will work on every watch. But I really like these thicker ones, a little stronger. Okay, this is my Rolex Explorer 2. I'm going to try to take the bracelet off with a single point tool like this Bergeon. We'll see. Let's see if I can get it off quickly. Okay. All right. Okay, you can see the problem. It's depressed, but the problem is getting it out, even though one side is clear. It's difficult because you're trying to pull it out, and the interference, because the tolerances are so tight, it's very difficult to get it off. Try the other side. So you can see how difficult it is. And I really am trying to get this off. I'm trying to be fair about this, but it's very difficult with this tool, with this single tool. Let's see, make sure that the pins are reset. And look at that. See how easy that is? It's like almost instant compared to the other way. And again, it's just because you can pull it out straight instead of sideways. It's a huge difference. Okay, this is taking off a buckle. And this is a buckle with drilled lugs. I really like these. Again, the advantage is you don't have to mess with the leather. You know, trying to stick a tool in between the leather and the stainless steel, which could damage the leather. The advantage of this is, well, for one thing, it goes from the outside, and you can see it's almost instant. It comes right off, really easy.